In this corner we have the almighty Lewis. In this corner we have Spacko Jacko. This is for the Olympic Happy Foundation final. If you win £1,000, what do you plan to do with the money?
Oh, I'm going to be crackers.
Okay, yeah, very interesting, yeah. What do you plan to do with the money?
Huh?
Okay, let's get the match underway.